What up, guys? So the vet that we've been mining on the Vertus application is getting listed. Now over here you can see it says the listing date is on the 12th of January 2025. All right, but few hours later they made this post again that says a snapshot will be coming up on the 13th of January, and the listing date is on 17th of January. Yes, this is due to lots of factors that affected this, because one, there are lots of people trying to complete their tasks, and this was resulting to a low performance of the application. So a lot of things were happening, things were not working fine with the application. I also experienced it because I tried to complete some tasks and do some things, but it was not really responding. All right, so due to this they had to give us more time for us to take our time to do all these things, do the necessary stuff, so that you can be eligible to claim your airdrop. So in this video I'm going to show you some things you need to do in order for you to be eligible for this airdrop, and you should be able to claim yours successfully. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned, you have to pay attention to this video till the very end. Alright, so here we are on my Vertus application where we are doing the mining. Alright, so if you click over here where it is written Vert balance, click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. Now this is where you can see your allocation. Alright, normally I have about 17k of the Vert. That's what I mined, although it was 16 when it was about 16k something when they did this allocation. All right, so from then I've been mining and I still got up to 17k right now. So from what I can see, they have converted our tokens, and let's say the ones that we've been mining was the point, while we've been allocated with the real token right now. So from what I got, like about 3k800 token, all right, as the token itself, and the one I'll be able to withdraw, because it is said that we are going to be withdrawing 65% of our allocation. All right, so I'm going to be getting 2.5k of the Vert token that I'll be able to withdraw. All right, now before you be able to withdraw, you can see this down, these buttons here are not highlighted, they are not active. All right, and to make it active you have to make sure you complete all the tasks over here. So let's just check out the tags that are very important right now. Now the tags, the first one says follow on Telegram, so you have to click on it, you follow them, make sure you're following them on Telegram, follow them on X, and you have to complete all the sponsor missions. All right, complete every one of them. So to get those missions, I'll show you exactly where those missions are and how to complete them. I'm going to show you everything right here. And apart from that, the last one says make one transaction, and this is where a lot of people are having issues, and I'm going to be doing that live and direct on this video for you guys to see. Now quickly let me go back to where the missions are and I'll show you what to do. So come over here, this is where the mining is going on. All right, so you click on mission. If you go on mission, under mission you have to scroll down, now this is where you see the sponsor mission. You can see sponsored. This is where the sponsored missions are. You have to complete every one of them. I did them all. I don't know if they added new ones again. I think these ones are new ones, but I did all the missions, you know, they are all completed. That's why on the other side I checked the box. All right, it has been checked, so I think I will just complete this one later on. But this is where you should complete the sponsored mission. Make sure you complete every one of them. All right, and once you are done doing this, the last one, in order for you to complete the last mission, in order for you to get this one done, let me show you one more time. I'll click here. All right, right here, the ones that say make one transaction, in order for you to make this possible, you will have to claim your token that you are mining, and this time around you are claiming with a ton on your Keeper wallet. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you click on storage. Okay, now mining is here. I want to claim this, what I'm mining right now. I click on collect. Now you are going to do claim ×2 instead of claiming with normal claiming. So you go for double claim bonus. So if you do this, you are going to be making a transaction automatically. So let's do this. Let's click on claim ×2. That's, you'll be getting double of what you are claiming. All right, so quickly let this load. All right, so I'm just going to do this. All right, accept this, sign this. So I just finished claiming that. I just claimed my tokens. Now let's quickly go back to where the mission is, where the task is. Let's go back there, click here, then let it load. Click on complete all tasks, then we're going to click on this and see what happened next. Very good. Now it was successful. Now you can see mission was completed successfully. So now I think I am eligible. All right, you can see now these two buttons are now active. So here we can select if we want to go with exchanges or custodial wallet. All right, I'm going to click on exchange because I will prefer to receive my token directly on the exchange so that I will be able to convert it if I want to. All right, so I'm going to click on exchange and click on select. All right, now these are the exchanges that are going to be listing Vert on the 17th of January. All right, now you can make your choice, select one of them and just go ahead, link it up to this application in order for you to claim your tokens. All right, so I'm just going to select, I think I'll go with Gate.io. I'll go with Gate.io. All right, I'll click on Gate.io right here. Okay, then I'm selecting this. Do you have an account? Of course I do have an account. Yes, I have. So I'm going to click on yes, I have. Then what you need to do here is to get your Gate.io UID, or it depends on the exchange that you have selected. All right, you get your UID, you get your deposit address, and also memo. Remember why we are using a memo is because Vertus is going to be on the Thorn blockchain, and cryptos on Thorn blockchain require memo. All right, so quickly let's go and copy every one of these and bring it back here and paste them, and we are good to go. All right, here in my Gate.io, all you have to do is to click up here, All right, so once you get over here, the next thing you should do is to tap on this arrow right here. I'm just going to tap on it. You can see my account is verified. All right, so I'm just going to come over here and I'll copy my UID from over here. I've done this severally on this channel and I'm still showing you guys one more time. All right, for the newbies, they are still going to get this. Okay, so you copy your UID here and go back to the application and paste it right there. So once you get here, all you need to do is to paste the UID in this first box. All right, I'm going to paste it right here. All right, that's okay. Now the next thing you should do is to go and copy your deposit address. So I'll show you how to do that right away. Let's go back to the Gate.io. So back over here, to get our wallet address, our Vert wallet address, click on assets over here. All right, so once you get here, you can select spots. All right, once you click on spot, you can use this search icon over here. Then you write Vert. Let's just write Vert this way. Okay, yes, now we can see this is it. This is their logo. You can just click on it. All right, once this pop up, click on deposit, click on the deposit. All right, depends on the wallet you're using anyway, but you click on deposit. Then I'm just going to copy this and go and paste it right in the application. Copy my wallet address. All right, very good. The next thing to do is to paste the wallet address right here. Now we'll go and get the memo. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the memo from here. I'm going to copy this. All right, copy successfully. So head over here, I'm going to paste the memo right here. Just paste it here. Okay, now we are good to go. The next thing that is left for us to do here is to click on send. Click on send. All right, yes, now it was successful. Now meaning our Gate.io has been linked to the Vertus application, and that is where I'm going to be receiving my tokens. And remember, my withdrawal token is 2.5 thousand of this token. All right, so that is like 65% of the available token. So that is how we are going to be linking our wallet to the application and claiming our tokens straight away. All right, now remember, the listing has been postponed till 17th of January due to a lot of malfunction of the application and some other things, so that they've given us more time to get this done before the time comes. All right, guys, so if you have not done yours, or you know people that have not done yours and they are finding it difficult to get it done, you should share this video with them to also help them get theirs done as fast as they can. All right, so guys, it's as simple as that. So if you like what I showed you in this video, first of all, please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, because all we do here is talk about cryptocurrency. I'll show you how to make money online, how to take maximum advantages of the Web3 space. All right, there are lots of stuff you can do on Web3 and make money online every single day. All right, guys, so guys, I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.